This is the Austin Healey 3000 BJ8 rear seat backrest plywood. It doubles up as a folding shelf, as you can see here. So what we've got, this is upright in the car, this is the front of the car this way, back of the car there. This is it folded down, so it would be covered in carpet and a vinyl strip there. This would all be covered in a material, either a vinyl or leather, most commonly vinyl. You have these holes here, which normally have a chrome finisher on them. We can supply those chrome finishers, but they are sold separately, so just bear that in mind. You then have this metal surround here, which acts, let me just slide that in like that. So there we are. So that acts as forms a little lip around there basically, and that stops, this is obviously used for luggage and things, so it stops your luggage from flying off when you brake, if brakes were that effective in the Healeys. There's obviously a few other bits and bobs that would normally be on here. On the underside of this panel here, there's normally a little bolt that comes out and catches in on the B-post quarter panel to stop it from flapping around. That works in conjunction with the little leather tabs that locate down onto the sort of floor area in the carpet set, where you have the little squares that come up around the rear axle area. That's only for the phase 2 models. Phase 1's relied purely on the bolt going across. So this is sold as a unit here. Obviously has all the hinges, so it folds back up like so. Obviously this area here would then get trimmed in the seat cover backrest. So the vinyl ones would be that backrest that has the sort of medium-sized squares on there that match up with your B-posts, whereas the leather-faced or full leather versions would be vertical pleats going all the way along. So we can supply this woodwork frame along with the metal piece as part of a kit untrimmed, as well as obviously we can supply you with the rear seat cover, or you can get us to do all the hard work for you and we can supply something fully trimmed up, ready to fit in your car basically. So let us know which options. See another video for a fully trimmed up version of this.